this beautiful room at our resort.
I'm off the better things. I'm only doing shit that's gonna make me elevate. Only one people around that's gonna make me better. And that, it's so They ask how I get that, I'm too busy and it's money, can it's shit.
If you come over to your left, you would be entering into the kitchen area. Y'all, we got a full kitchen. So we do have our lovely, beautiful refrigerator. They did fill us up with a bottle of champagne. Ain't nothing spectacular about this. It's just a regular refrigerator. We do have an ice and water maker with our refrigerator and whatnot. We do have 2 sinks, y'all. And then we have our appliances that come with the kitchen, microwave, stove top, a full stove top. If you come over to the left, you do have this beautiful walk-in closet that you can fill your extra little jackets, coats, or anything you want to put in your closet. And then if you come over to your left, which is open up this door, you will be entering into the guest bathroom, regular toilets. A single sink as well. It has our makeup mirror, it has our trash can. We're gonna make our way into the guest bedroom, which is 2 queen beds. So this room can actually sleep up to 4 people. As you can see, they do have a beautiful balcony. We have a TV station. They also have a sitting area. This room circles around, so you can enter into the bathroom, you can go into the bedroom, and you can also exit the bedroom through another opening. And then it will take you straight into the dining area. You have a pull-out couch that can sleep an extra guest of people if you have them. But let's come on around to the most exciting, what y'all really been waiting for, and that is the master bedroom. You enter in here, we do have a king-size bed, y'all. I think this is beautiful. Everything is upgraded. Your TVs are upgraded. We also get a beautiful view and a beautiful balcony, like I said. And guess what? We have a jacuzzi tub in the master bedroom. And I think this is really cute. I think this is elegant. I think if you were on a romantic trip with 2 other couples, you could do it and it would be beautiful. I don't know if I mentioned in the other bedroom, you do have a closet in there as well. Then you guys, this door right here, it leads us into our bathroom, which is our regular bathroom, y'all. I have your enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe if you're not already. Go ahead and like this video, give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and comment down below letting us know that you all enjoyed this video.